We're gonna begin the first experiment by mixing different soda inside of this box. And we're gonna add potassium permanganate. Let us know in the comment if we should make more experiments with potassium permanganate. The liquid first turned purple pink and then it turned black. I will now show you what's happening if we mix chlorine with Coca-Cola. In fact, in the Coke there is a small amount of phosphoric acid which acts as a reactant. When it is mixed with chlorine, there is a release of gas and a change of color. Do you guys think that it is dangerous to touch the liquid? So here we have 3 different kinds of soda. In this experiment we will use Mentos, and the goal is to find which one will react the most with the Mentos. As the Mentos sinks in the bottle, the candy causes the production of more and more carbon dioxide bubble. Then we have more and more bubble. Maybe there's one ingredient in one soda that will react more. The one that reacts the most in this experiment is the Pepsi. Which soda do you think reacts the most with Mentos? Maybe we can try in the next video. It's now time for the main experiment. We have all the ingredients we need. We have a toilet, Coca-Cola, Mentos, Armstrong, and lava. I am not sure that Stretch Armstrong is ready for what will happen. Maybe Stretch Armstrong can save the toilet from the lava. It is now time to start the foundry. First of all, we need to plug it to the propane gas. We need to make sure that it is really tight. I will now use a match to turn it on. Inside of the foundry, we will use different kinds of metal. We will mix aluminum and copper together. Before we start the experiment, I am curious to see what do you think will happen. Does the toilet will break? Will there be only cracks? Or will the lava just pass through and nothing will happen? Stretch Armstrong will act as a shield between the toilet and the lava. We'll also add Mentos below Stretch Armstrong and also beside him. Knowing that the Mentos are made with gelatin and Armstrong is full of glue, I'm curious to see if it can save the toilet. I've put in total 50 Mentos. We will also pour Coca-Cola on the toilet, hoping that it will react with the Mentos even if there is lava inside. Go. There is so much fire and so much cracking noise. I don't know if the toilet will break, but we will now add the Coca-Cola. The toilet is so hot that the Coca-Cola turns into smoke. You can see some crack and also the Coca-Cola trying to escape from the side, but no sign for now of a broken toilet. Let's now take a look closely to what's happened to Armstrong. It is starting to break into pieces. Inside there's just a big block of really hot metal, trying to grip to the toilet. And we can partially see our hero Armstrong. I don't think she felt great. Let's take him out, take a look. This is not the moment to see if the toilet has resist. Look at this, it is falling into pieces. I made some experiment this winter and I'm now happy to present it to you. We will light these things with a torch. The green foam just carbonized into black matter. Do you guys think that I can blow up those match with sparkler? Big flames are coming out from each side. Now let's watch it in slow motion. The next experiment might be really interesting. I have glue sparkler around a can of Pepsi and we will try to blow him up. The cover just popped in the air. It was a clean explosion. I hope you guys enjoy all of those experiments. Don't forget to subscribe and also write us in the comment which experiments you would like us to do next.